Everybody's here, everyone we love. The flowers are arranged, they're handing out champagne, waiting just for us.
Timothy, you are the most incredible dad to Lennox and Bexley. My favourite part of the day is when you walk in that door and I see their faces light up with such joy and excitement that Daddy's home. We have accomplished so much together, and with our boys in tow, there is so much more to look forward to in the future. Thank you for supporting me, guiding me, teaching me, and most of all, being patient with me. You have helped me grow as a person, and I'm so grateful for the life we are building together. I promise to try to be the best version of myself I can be with you by my side. I promise to forever annoy you, and I promise to love you unconditionally, even when you're annoying me. I love you today, tomorrow, and always. Your now wife, Desi.
In my eyes, you look so beautiful by my side. I can't breathe, I can't speak, can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm speechless.
Stefanie, you are my best friend and partner in all things. Thank you for coming into my life at the ideal moment. You were the light of my day every time I saw you. Your big smile, your beautiful eyes, your large heart. You always put a smile on my face, and I never thought that I would find love and happiness at the end of aisle 4 at Bunnings Scoresby. I promise to continue building our family together, sharing our happiness, supporting one another in hard times, and strengthening our family's future. I promise to be the best friend and husband that I can be. I promise to love you no matter what you order online. I promise to be the patient one, obviously. And I promise to make you laugh when you were down. I promise to love, cherish, and support you for the rest of our lives. And lastly, I promise to love you today, tomorrow, and always, your husband, Tiff.
I can't breathe, I can't speak, can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. You should see the way you're looking right now as I stare into your eyes, reading
Now my absolute pleasure to pronounce you as husband and wife, Tim. You may kiss your bride. Woohoo!
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together.